If you want to remove a payment method from your Google Drive account, follow these simple steps. This process will help you manage your payment options effectively. Step 1. Sign into Google account. Go to the Google account page and sign in using the credentials associated with your Google Drive. Step 2. Access payments and subscriptions. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments and Subscriptions section. This can usually be found in the left-hand menu. Step 3. Manage payment methods. In the Payments and Subscriptions section, look for the Payment Method option. Click on it to view all the payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Select Payment Method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. Click on the option to edit or remove the selected payment method. Step 5. Confirm removal. Follow the prompts to confirm the removal of the payment method. Make sure to save any changes if required. By following these steps, you can successfully remove a payment method from your Google Drive account. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore additional resources or support options.